Alright, so here we go. Spinach dip time. Put your green onions, mayonnaise, sour cream, vegetable mix, chopped spinach, whole chestnuts. First thing to do, take your frozen spinach dip, put it in the refrigerator. Second thing to do, grab a bowl. So, here's the thing. Vegetable recipe mix. Throw it in there. There's some hard bits. That's why it's going to sit overnight. So it softens. Sour cream, 16 ounce. Damn it, someone's been eating my sour cream. Okay, technical difficulties. We gotta go out. We gotta go out and get some sour cream. We'll do that. So we'll leave this like it is. Mayo. See this? This is a big spoon. This is one. This is two. This is three. 3 spoonfuls. Green onion. This thing for your Parmesan cheese. The grater, Parmesan cheese grater. That's how we get the water chestnuts in it. The last piece, if it's like a bigger chunk, don't worry about it. This takes like the longest amount of time. Don't watch out for your fingers. Don't get any skin in the spinach dip. All right, and we're back, and we got the sour cream. Let's go put that thing in. All 16 ounces. We went with Daisy this time. And now, just mix it all in. Mix it in real good. Real good. Okay, so that's it. Now we're going to throw this in the fridge, and tomorrow we're going to throw the spinach in it and complete our spinach dip. All right, what's going on, guys? We're making spinach and it's day 2. So we've got our spinach. We took it out of the fridge. It's been sitting here, so it's still a little cold, but spinach unboxing. Spinach unboxing. So here's the thing, we gotta get the water out. We gotta get the water out. We gotta get the water out, so spinach goes in here. Now the thing is, you can get all the water out, you can leave the water in. I kind of do like a halfway. I didn't pull any water out one time, and it actually was really, really watery, and it actually made it a little bit better for dip. So I started doing half, kind of like, kind of get an eye for it or whatever. So get half the water out, don't do it completely dry, and then you'll pull out your spinach dip from yesterday. You know, it's gonna start looking a little brown. Those are the bits that were dried up. And now we just dump that spinach in, and away we go. Just kind of mix it, and you kind of start getting consistency. It's been sitting in the refrigerator. The vegetable mix has been soaking. So there we go. Now we've got the color. All right. Ritz cracker taste test. See, you don't want it to be too dry because then these will break. All right. Oh man, these Ritz crackers are like that everything bagel one. Pretty simple, not too much. Time, you just gotta give yourself a day to kind of prep for it. Spinach dip has to defrost, and the soup mix, that's gotta kind of soak. Peace.